welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet and welcome to my channel and happy How To Tuesday. Today I am so excited because I am showing you how to get this glowy skin in the dead of winter. On my last How To Tuesday video, I did my brows. I had this exact glowy skin routine and I was asked about it. So I'm like, why not show you guys how to do it? Because it's super easy and it's oily skin approved. At least I approve it. So if you're interested in seeing how to get this nice glowy skin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The red button down below, right there. I do post Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, and let's just get started with this nice glowy skin. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so let's start this glowiness. So the trick to this is doing a bit of a cocktail. I am going to use my most matte foundation because I do have oily skin. At the same time, I'm gonna use my most hydrating primer, which is the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and the Marc Dewdrops. You can use any dewdrop. I'm using the bougie ones because this thing is huge. I'll probably never go through it, so I need to start using it now. I already moisturized my skin. I always moisturize very well because although my skin is oily, I like to have moisture, and I do put sunscreen on my face every day. So all that good stuff is done, and now we're just gonna go in with the good stuff. I am going to use my hand. I always use my hand because I want the product to be warmed up. So we're gonna use 2 pumps of primer, one like a mini pump, no, like a pump that looks like 2, but it's 1. This dispenses a lot of product. And if you do have dry skin, I would suggest to use a hydrating foundation. I'm just using a matte one because I have very oily skin, but this definitely works for anyone. And I wish this thing had a pump, but we are going to we're gonna put this much, if you can see. So we're creating a cocktail with a foundation brush. I really love this one from Smahsbox because it's not too dense and it's not too big because I have a really small face. So we're gonna just mix it on our hand, mix it very well, and at the same time our hand is going to warm it up nicely. And now we're gonna dab it on like you're working it in on your skin. Thank you guys for letting me know about my skin on my brow tutorial, because it's like, this is actually a new method I've been doing. So. And it's just a very nice light layer of foundation. The cocktail creates a very thin layer so you can still see your skin through. And that's what I've been really focusing on lately, is skin, not really packing on the foundation, because I just realized that my pores were really sticking out and my skin didn't look as soft and as bright. And I just honestly, I wanted to give my skin a little bit of break, you know? Let's get our ears so they're not pale. You can see, you could still see my skin. It's not completely hidden. And now you can get a beauty sponge of any kind and just dab on, because brushes tend to leave streaks, so we don't want that. And if you accidentally put excess product, your sponge will remove it. That's the skin, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer, which is my favorite one. What I accidentally did last time is I added a little bit too much because my hand slipped a little, but we are going to just not add as much. And then we're gonna add some on our lids and blend it out. And the goal is to just give our skin one tone, but not really cover up any freckles. I covered up a little bit of my red, but I still have some of my freckles that are over here peeking out. Alright, so concealer is nicely blended out. It's a very, I would say, thin layer. I mean, for me. Because you also want everything to be cohesive. You don't want a light foundation with full, thick under eyes. It just doesn't make much sense, you know? So we're gonna go in with the Mercier setting powder, and we are going to set just the T-zone very lightly, including our lids. And also, I'm setting because I have oily skin. I always have to have that in mind when I'm doing my makeup because I don't want to look like a glob of oiliness. Set my nose very well because that's the problem area. And to just get right, literally the T-zone up here. This is it, and then I'm just gonna take it off immediately. Not that you could see much, but any excess is coming off. What we want to do is set for the first time. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Setting the makeup a few times, aka like in layers, is going to help the foundation really stick longer to the skin and mesh in with the face. And we're patting it in so we don't have any watermarks, and it's blended in with the powder and the foundation. Now I still see some glow. I still see the glow in my skin, which is what I want because naturally your skin does glow. Especially us oily girls, we glow all the time. So going in with this Morphe contour palette, it is the Hi-Fi 8H. I've been loving, absolutely loving this shade. It's called Debutante. And my brush, I learned at IMAT, is take all the excess off on your hand and then start building the eyelid. Because I tapped some of the bronzer product off, it does take me a few times to build. I've built now about 3 times, which is fine. I rather build than just have one harsh line, you know. At IMAT, I really learned that from like the classes I was sitting in. Like, it was so cool. I want to take one of those master classes, you know, to learn. I feel like there's always, you learn every day, different things, every day, all day. So I'm doing the same thing with my nose contour, and then just with a different brush, my favorite brush from e.l.f. and doing it softly. And this bronzer is extremely pigmented as well. And then you could bring it in your eye socket so it could be nice and cohesively matched. And I honestly only use bronzer because it's just one product I'm gonna use. You can use eyeshadow, you can use whatever makes you feel most comfortable. For me in the mornings, I'm just trying to go quickly and use the least amount of products as humanly possible. Now, using a contour angled brush, tapping in, and then now just working it right here at the end, and then blending it out. Now that we added some color to our face, we're gonna set again. Now it's time for some highlighter. I am using the Dose of Colors Chasing the Sun, doing the same thing. You can add as much highlighter as you want. Today's gonna be a long day and I don't want to put a bunch of highlighter and then I'm completely like oily. So just a little here, a little on the nose. Now one last spray. I'm gonna use the NYX London Lip Liner, the NYX London Soft Matte Cream for the lips. And lastly, we're gonna curl the lashes and add some mascara. Because I don't want my lips to be super matte, I'm gonna put a little bit of Vaseline on this brush and then add it in the middle. And everything I use will be down in the description box below. I always forget to say it, but that's it. Hey guys, and this is it. This is the final look of the super easy glowy skin tutorial that I wanted to show you guys how to do, and I hope it was very helpful. I hope it was informative. I will list everything down below, and I'm feeling myself right now. I'm really like, okay, I still see my real skin. I still see it peeking through. It will hold my oils together for the rest of the day. And yeah, anyway, thank you guys for liking my skin routine on my last how-to video because here I am showing you. Like, I'm like way too excited about it. But yeah, so this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm always on there, always answering, always loving you guys' questions, comments. So that's it. Enough rambling. I have to go now. And oh wait, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, the red button down below so you can see me 3 times a week. And don't forget to like, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.